You know you're in for a treat when Chef Anjum Anand is in the Your Morning Kitchen. When I say you, I mean me. Today she's showcasing two delicious vegetarian dishes, both with the central ingredient, paneer. Welcome.
Hi.
Thank you so much for being here. Some people at home are watching, don't know what paneer is.
Yeah, so paneer is basically Indian cheese.
Okay.
So it's a white cheese that's got no culture.
Mm-hmm.
It's fresh, it's really delicious, it's really easy to make. So I really wanted to show you
Yes.
how to make it. And it's really inexpensive.
And I'm so glad you're going to show us and not just simply say, and you can make this at home. Because a lot of people, even though the spice palette's available at a lot of local grocery stores now, people are still afraid of making Indian food at home, let alone Indian cheese. So let's show people how easy it is.
I know. Also, you know, everyone knows what cheese is, and it's one of those things we don't do anymore.
Yeah.
But it's so easy.
Great.
So why not? So all we have here to make paneer is some milk, so it's whole milk. And I've been heating it up.
The best kind of milk.
Well, you know, if you don't make it whole milk, your paneer is not going to be that good. You're going to waste a lot of time. So the milk has come to a boil.
Okay. You didn't put anything in it?
No, nothing. Okay. So I'm going to try and get this bubbling again. But basically, all you do is you split the milk with a bit of acidity.
Okay.
So here we've got some yogurt and we have lemon juice. Yogurt, I think, gives it a bit of a softer taste.
Okay.
But
and
lemon
just
juice
plain
is
yogurt.
quicker. Yeah.
Okay.
So you want the acidity. So you want a nice sour yogurt.
Okay.
So I'm going to actually, just to be quick, add a bit of both.
Okay.
And then this should come to really quickly. So we should really quickly see.
Up, huh?
Can you see already?
Yeah.
Like instant.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
I mean, how great is this to do with kids as well?
Okay, so what's happening to it right now?
So the milk is split and you have curds.
Jeez, that happened fast.
And whey, exactly. So it's really easy. You just gotta, just takes time to bring the milk to a boil.
Okay.
And how inexpensive. Okay, Ben, if I could ask you to pour all of that in there so we can drain the whey.
Okay, and so there's a cheesecloth inside colander.
Colander, exactly. So I would normally do this over the sink, right?
Yeah.
To just make it really practical. You just put it over the sink.
Okay.
And that's it. So the whey drains, you have your curds.
Yeah.
I would pour a little bit of water just to get rid of some of the tang, because we want it to be really fresh cheese.
Okay.
I don't know how that's going to work here, because it's all the colander, the bowl's quite full of the whey. Then you just gather it up. Now,
oh, and a little one more here.
That's hot. If you don't have cheesecloth, you could do this in like a clean kitchen towel or a J cloth. I've done it with everything. And you just kind of gather it up. It's a bit hot. Yeah. But you can see how that's just already forming into a little lovely bowl of fresh cheese. You twist it. Yeah. And you let it drain. And then then you take the same pan that you just used, put the whey back in it, and you use it to flatten it. Okay. So it just sits there for like half an hour and it flattens. And then you end up? Into this. Now, this is a small quantity of milk. But basically, you unravel and you have your paneer.
That's it, done.
That's it, that's it. Now, how beautiful.
I'm shocked at how easy that is.
It's so easy. And I mean, it's great to get kids into the kitchen and kind of, I always feel like cooking is a little bit magical. It's like the magic of cooking. You have milk, now you have cheese.
That's incredible.
Okay. We didn't season it. You don't have to season it. You can, but in Indian food, we season everything else. Yes. Okay, so we're going to make something with that. You've got vegetable skewers that you're going to make for us. Yeah, so paneer is amazing for the winter. Put it in your curries. It's amazing for the summer. And here's a perfect summer recipe for your vegetarian friends who love barbecue food but don't eat meat. So we have our paneer. And so this is store-bought. They have a special mold. So we have some of that. So in it goes into our tandoori marinade. Okay, so we're just going to drop these in? Yeah. Okay. So the tandoori marinade, we've made it before on the show, but it's kind of just yogurt, ginger, garlic, some spices, and lemon juice. We can get some vegetables in there. Okay, here we go. So once you get that in, you just coat it. Yeah, when we say marinate, we don't have to, do we have to let it sit for a certain amount of time? Well, you should ideally, because you want those flavors to get into the paneer. Okay. So once that's sat for a couple of hours,
oh, and so it really will infuse the paneer.
Yeah, it really does. It really get the flavors get in there, and and then you end up with a really lovely coating.
So at least a couple of hours.
I would say so. Okay. You know, but if you want to do it overnight, you just leave it in the fridge overnight, bring it to room temperature, and then in the oven, or even like on the barbecue, in the oven, under a grill. It's super versatile.
That's amazing. Can I do this with meat if I want?
Yes.
Okay.
But this is the point. But yes, of course.
No, but I want to share this with my friends, and they want the vegetables, and I want some other stuff. This is really good. This is really good.
No, it's good. It's very meat. So paneer is the kind of vegetarian Indian protein, right?
Really good.
It's delicious, and there's no one who doesn't like paneer.
No.
Like everyone loves it.
Everybody would like that. That's amazing.
Like that. It's a real crowd pleaser. Now, to take paneer and something that's kind of quick and easy.
Yeah.
More kind of elegant.
This is a more elevated.
Yeah. So I just think sometimes when you have friends around for dinner, and they're vegetarian, you don't quite know what to make. So using paneer, you can do everything in between, like a curry, but this is a really lovely tandoori paneer terrine, so taking the same recipe.
All right. I got it.
And we've just layered it with some vegetables, and it's sort of a butter chicken sauce.
It looks beautiful. You mind if I just come?
Please.
So a butter chicken sauce. Okay.
So the good thing about paneer is you have all these really strong flavors, and it just absorbs it in a really beautiful way.
Oh, I like this. Oh, that's good.
But also really great. Also, if you're meat eaters, that actually is still a really lovely way
to just
hearty.
Have a bit that's hearty.
Yeah.
For the meat eater, sometimes the meat eaters just want to believe that they're going to be full. That is filling. That is delicious. That's an incredible sauce, too.
Oh, great.
Chef, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me
that was
again.
wonderful.
Thank you.
And to check out these recipes, head to our website, yourmorning.ca.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.